DAHCKRAM Studios coming from Hooterville today in Florida. 95 degrees outside, so we're gonna do this inside. We were gonna do it outside, but today we're gonna do it inside. We're gonna unbox this box of High Life India Pale Ale. It's yummy. Nah, just kidding. We're gonna do some camera stuff. We got this Panasonic Lumix 25mm prime f1.7 lens. It's a H-H025 is the model number. So let's just tear this open. Nothing special about this lens. It's been out for a while, but there's some people out there that don't know how to use it or don't know what to do from the forums that I've read, thinking things that don't work right on it. So right out the box, it's a cute little lens made for Panasonic Micro Four Thirds cameras. It's Lumix G. But the main thing that I'm doing this for is because it's just a lens. We're done with the unboxing. Yay. But the problem is, people bitch in all these forums saying, the lens cap doesn't, or the hood doesn't fit on there. I can't make it work. It works. It really works. You have to unscrew. It works. You have to unscrew this little ring, then viola. It fits right on there. People don't know that this little ring unscrews, but it does. And then you can put your lens hood on there. And or you might be able to screw on the filter. I don't know. Let's see. I have this filter. It came with the lens. It's just a 95% UV filter. Let's see if it actually fits on there, or if you gotta do anything special. Looks like it wants to screw on there. Yes, it does. It screws on the inside of the lens just like that. So at that point, now we got a UV filter on there, and you could probably put this ring back on here if you wanted to. Yeah, that goes on there. Or your lens hood. So that's how that works. You got to unscrew this little ring to put on your lens hood. If you want to put that back on there, just for looks, boom. It's that easy. Now let's see if the lens cap fits on. Oh, look at that. Lens cap still fits on with the UV filter. I'm going to leave it just like that. So that's it, guys. The end of that one. Not too complicated. We'll put the lens on the camera later, but that's the unboxing and how to use the lens. Thank you very much. Guess what? There's more stuff I forgot to do. I figure we should probably at least put this lens on the camera that goes on. Not that it really matters, but I got this little Lumix G7 I've been using for years. It takes great video, works good. Got this $600 lens on here. But show you what it looks like with a cute little teeny tiny lens. This thing's a 12 to 35. That was like $600, something like that. $6.99, I don't know. It's attached. Lens cap, take that off. So this little guy, take a little butt plug off here. Line up the dots. Maybe. There we go. Yep. Done this before once or twice. I don't know why it's not turning. There. Gotta line the red dots up. So that's how cute this thing looks. I guess we could put this little lens hood back on here. Unscrew the ring, remember. And now, the 25mm prime. Yeah. We'll play around with this, maybe put some footage up later, but that's about it. Make sure you subscribe to DAHCKRAM Studios. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Good night.
Please subscribe to DAHCKRAM Studios to see more of our cool videos.